I'll be sharing with you my experience with this platform and how it works. Before I proceed with this video, note that I am not a financial advisor, that this video is strictly for educational purpose and should not be considered as an investment advice, as investment platforms carry significant risks. Now, there are two things I like about this platform, which is the stress-free and daily returns. Now, if you are among those that will be interested in leveraging more on this platform, you can find the link on the pinned comment section, so you can set up an account for yourself and start leveraging this platform. And so before I proceed in showing you how to operate using this platform, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Cash Value, and what we do on this platform is that I share my experience on platforms that I've actually tested and worked for me, so you also can understand how to leverage on platforms like this, which I'm about introducing you to, so you can get the exact steps so you avoid several mistakes while creating or using this platform. Now, all I ask from you is to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So without no further ado, let's dive into the screen right now. And so, like I said, this platform is actually stress-free. Once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now, you can actually see that you can sign in using your email address or your phone number. Now, just go ahead to use any of which you want to use to sign up for an account. Now, just go ahead to pick any of it. So once you are done, just come down to the interface right here that says email. Put in your registered email address, come down to input a password. Like I recommend, always put in password you will always remember. Then come down also to the security password and input a security password. Now, note that this security password will be asked whenever you want to place withdrawal on your account. Then come down to hit on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. And now that you have actually created an account on this platform, this is how your interface is going to look like. Now, when you come down to my account, you can actually see that I have a total of 2.27 USDT. Now, when you come down to quantify, so you can actually see where it says start quantifying. So once I click on that, it's going to start generating income for me for today. So you can actually see that it has started quantifying for the day. So you just have to wait for this to finish quantifying. You can actually see that this has actually generated me 2.2 USDT right on my account. So the next thing you want to do is to come over to your account. So right now you can actually see that the total revenue has become 4.5 USDT, that is 4.55 USD. Now, to go ahead to place this, all I just need to do is to come over to where it says withdraw. Now you can actually see that I have a total balance of 4.55 USDT. Now, to place withdrawal on my account, you can actually place withdrawal using your TRC20 USDT, or you can actually go ahead using the BEP20 USDT. Now, I prefer using the BEP20 USDT. So what I just need to do is to come down here and input the actual amount I want to withdraw. Now you can actually see that the minimum withdrawal is from 2 USDT. So what I just need to do is to put in the 4.5, or you either put in the total figures you are actually seeing right here. Then come down here to input your BEP20 wallet address. Now, to copy your BEP20 wallet address, all you just have to do is to go back to your Bybit account, come down to where it says deposits, then click on deposit crypto. Then you're going to see the USDT, or you can either search for the USDT on your account. Now you can actually see that we have the BSC BEP20 or other network right here. So I just have to click on the BEP20 USDT. And so right now I just have to come down to copy my BEP20 wallet address. So once that is done, I go back to this account and paste my wallet address right here. So once I'm done with that, I come down to input that security password I inserted while creating my account. So once all these have been put in place, the next thing you want to do is to come down to read this withdrawal note that says important withdrawal guidelines. So you can just go through all this to know what the withdrawal method is like on this platform. Now, all I just want to do is to come down to click on confirm. As you can see, the actual amount I'll be getting the 4.5 USDT. So we'll be waiting for the credited amount. So I'll be showing you the withdrawal proof from this platform. Then I'm going to show you how you can leverage this platform to also get some commissions for yourself and earnings every single day. Alright guys, so we just got credited the amount of 4.55 USDT just the way we placed the withdrawal. No charges was taken out from this transaction. As you can see, the exact amount we received and the date and time this was received. When you sign up for an account, this is how your interface will look like. You're going to be seeing the recharge button, the withdraw, the help, team, activities, invite friends, agent cooperation. So on this platform, you actually have chances of leveraging more icons right on your account. Now, when you come over to me, you can actually see that I have been able to earn 4.55 USD on my account, and you can actually see that I've been able to quantify about 13 USD right on my account. Now what you actually do on this platform is to come down to where it says quantify. So once you come over to quantify, you can actually see where it says start quantify. So once you go ahead clicking on start quantify, just like the way I did earlier, that generated me some income. You'll be getting an income for yourself every single day. Now, but before you go ahead quantifying on this platform, you need to register with an investment package. Now when you come down to invest, you can actually see that you can invest 50 USD on this platform. I'll be getting a daily rate of 5.10% in 30 days. Now when you go ahead clicking over to the other ones that says 180 USD, you'll be getting a daily rate of 2.70%, and this will last for 50 days. Okay, so when you go ahead to other packages right on this platform, you are going to be seeing the amounts you'll be getting in your daily returns when you click on quantify. But before you can go ahead to click on quantify, you will need to fund your account to the exact amount you want to use to invest. Now to do that, all you just have to do is to come down to where it says recharge. Now we actually have different network right here. You can see we have the TRC20 USDT, we have the TRC20 TRX, we have the BEP20 USDT, we have the BNB, we have the BEP20 USDC. So any of these network that actually interests you or you actually find very easy to use, all you just have to do is to click on any of it, and it's going to be displaying the actual wallet address to you. All you just have to do is to copy this wallet address, then transfer the exact funds you want to use to recharge your account. So once that is done, this is going to be reflecting right on your account, just like the way you're seeing my account right here. So once you are done recharging your account, the next thing you want to do is to come down to invest. Then you can actually go ahead to unlock any of these packages that you actually find interest in. So once that is done, all you have to do is just one thing, to come in daily and click on start quantify. So once you click on start quantify, you're going to be getting a daily generated income for yourself on this platform. Now you can leverage more on this platform. When you come over to invite friends, you're going to be seeing your affiliate link right here. Just go ahead to copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends. So you're going to be getting commissions for any individuals that sign in using your link. So this is actually how this platform works. You can find the link down there in the video description or the pinned comment section. Set up an account for yourself and start earning with this platform. However, note that my personal experience with this platform differs from yours. Also invest what you can afford to lose right on this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to earn some extra income online for yourself. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. See you on my next video and keep winning.